Oh my God.
Hello?
Hey dude, it's Cam J. I got a big problem. What are you doing right now?
Oh, I'm actually vacationing on the beach right now. What's up?
Dude, I'm in some serious stuff right now. I was planning this Labor Day barbecue, and this guest list is out of control. I got some big league names on this list, so I need the best recipe ever.
Huh, sounds pretty intense. Hey, am I on that list?
Well, let's see how this goes, and then I'll let you know.
Okay, so you're going to film this?
Of course, dude, I'm in the amateur kitchen, so I really need to send people's taste buds into labor.
Okay, well, make sure you don't say stupid things like that on the camera.
Well, obviously, dude.
Alright, dude, I have the best Labor Day recipe ever. Are you ready?
Yes, dude, what is it?
No, dude, this recipe is so rich and so decadent that your guests' mouths will explode from the labor you're putting on their taste buds.
Dude, I'm desperate, man. What is it?
Alright, dude, I think you're ready. It's the barbecue truffle mac and cheese beer can burger.
Oh my God, it's perfect! Thanks, dude. What's up, my little Scooby-Doos, and...
Hang up, dude. It sounded like you just slapped the phone.
Oh, sorry, dude. What's up, my little sweethearts, and welcome to Cam J's Amateur Kitchen. Today, we are doing the best Labor Day recipe ever. Barbecue truffle mac and cheese beer can burgers. Recipe in the description below. Check it out. All right, let's start out by making our truffle mac and cheese. Come on. In a pot, let's get 4 tablespoons of butter melting. For that, we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of flour. And we're gonna cook for 2 minutes while whisking to get that flour taste out of there. Next, we're gonna add 2 cups of milk, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of truffle oil. Thanks, Mark. Let's stir that and let it cook for 5 minutes. Alright, that's thickened up. We're gonna add 8 ounces of cubed cheddar cheese. You can also use shredded. And a 1/4 cup of parmesan. We're gonna melt that in. Let's fold in 8 ounces of cooked macaroni elbow nudes. Alright, let's put that off to the side. Alright, we gotta taste test some of this mac and cheese. Oh, man, that is gonna send people over the edge. Alright, let's make our beer can burgers now. Alright, we're gonna start off with 2 pounds of ground chuck. This is 85/15. To that, we're gonna add a teaspoon and a half of onion powder and garlic powder. Finish that off with a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Let's mix that up better than J-Mac ever could.
Yeah, dude, still here.
How are you still on the phone? Alright, let's dump that out on the board. We want half-pound patties, so we're gonna split this into 4. We're gonna form those sections into loose balls. And let's go grab some beer. Wash off a can of your favorite beer. Alright, this is where the interesting part kicks in. Cam J's vlog. Nah. Alright, let's take one of our balls of meat and our beer can and shove it down in there. Then take your hands and form the patty up the beer can. Next, we're gonna wrap this with 2 strips of bacon. Let's take our beer can out by just rocking it back and forth. And now you guys got yourselves a little pocket. Let's fill that with our truffle mac and cheese. Top that off with a little bit of salt and pepper. Let's transfer this to the baking sheet. Well, we were gonna go grill these, but, oh sweet, thanks, Rain. Mother Nature had other plans, so let's try to cook these in the oven. We're gonna go same temperature, 350 degrees, for about 20 minutes. If you guys are cooking these in the grill, the key is indirect heat. So if you have a propane grill, put it on the opposite side of the fire or on the upper rack. Coal grill, opposite side of the coals. But for now, we're doing the oven. In the meantime, let's brush some melted butter on our buns. Then just sit and wait. Alright, these have been cooking for about 20 minutes. We're just gonna top these off with some shredded cheese. Oh yeah, it's Labor Day. I'm gonna throw that back in the oven along with our buns. turn that up to 400 and let it cook for 5 more minutes. Oh, these are ready to come out. Let's go assemble. Start with the bottom of our toasted bun. And throw this guy on here. Let's top that off with some spicy barbecue sauce. And throw on our bun. I can't think of a better time to cross-section. Let's do this. Oh man. Right in the labor. Wow. I'll tell you this much right now. This is way better than any of J-Mac's recipes. Labor Day barbecue truffle mac and cheese beer can burgers. Best Labor Day recipe ever. Sorry guys, barbecue is canceled. Food is gone. Labor Day barbecue truffle mac and cheese beer can burger. Oh God. Oh, Labor Day truffle mac and cheese barbecue beer can burger. Oh. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel, hit that little notification bell. We're doing new videos every week. Smash that like button for Labor Day. Ah, that's a ploy for likes. Just throw a comment down below. Say what's up. Let me know what you guys are doing for Labor Day. See, J-Mac never asked what you're doing on the weekend.
Wow, dude, still here.
Dude, why doesn't this hang up? Thank you guys.